Hi, good morning. I'm Steve Brooks, the CEO of Baldwin Properties, and it's an extremely proud day. I've got my partners, Rodney Gray, Ulrike Schneidner, and Jonathan Bingham, our esteemed architects, Guy and Eleanor from Light Architects, and we've just come back from Dubai and won a phenomenal 5-star award for Munyaka. Exceptionally proud. Guys, a big hand to all of you for doing phenomenally good work. Winning a 5-star award is no small achievement. Congratulations. This award is the most prestigious competition in the world. It is headed up by 4 English lords, who, as you know, can be very difficult on a good day, and 100 judges. It was with great honor that we received this award, and we're extremely proud of it. And may the good work continue at Munyaka. And as our dear President, Mr. Ramaphosa said, forwards Munyaka, forwards. Well done.